inovic.crm. inovic.crm engineering is today India's fastest growing Eot Crane Manufacturer, established in the year 2011. With an aim to become a world-class company and a belief to reach new heights by taking care of the smallest detail in the production process. Our experience in design and manufacturing of cranes and components is ingrained with international standards and values like integrity and excellence while offering quality and sophisticated products to satisfy the customers. inovic.crm understands the market well. With the onset of rapid technology and products being engineered to meet the needs with the specialized heavy fabrication of high-tech components and precision machined components to all the sectors of the industry. Achieving high growth, large projects is due to our pool of knowledgeable workers who are flexible and adaptable in every situation. We want to see you rise to face new challenges, generating value and exceeding previous limits. Take the plunge and contact us today. inovic.crm Engineering.